Welcome to our comprehensive guide on compensation management. In this session, we are going to explore how organizations design salary structures and reward systems that attract and retain top talent. Whether you are an aspiring HR professional or a business owner, understanding these fundamentals is crucial for building a motivated workforce. Let's start with a clear definition. Compensation management is the systematic practice of managing, analyzing, and determining the salary, incentives, and benefits that employees receive. It is not just about writing checks. It is about finding the perfect balance between the organization's financial capabilities and the employee's needs for fair and competitive pay. Effective compensation is built on three main pillars. First, there is direct financial compensation, which includes monetary payments like base salary and commissions. Second is indirect financial compensation, which covers non-cash benefits like health insurance and retirement plans. Finally, we have non-financial rewards, such as career growth opportunities and a positive work environment, which are increasingly important for employee satisfaction. When designing salary structures, companies often use pay grades and ranges. As you can see here, each job level or grade has a specific salary range with a minimum, a midpoint, and a maximum. This structure allows for salary progression as employees gain experience and improve their performance, without immediately needing a promotion to a new job level. Beyond base salary, variable pay is used to drive performance. This falls into two categories. Short-term incentives, like annual bonuses and sales commissions, reward immediate results. Long-term incentives, such as stock options, align the employee's interests with the company's success over several years, promoting retention and long-term thinking. Think of employee benefits as a pyramid. At the base, you have mandatory benefits required by law, such as Social Security and unemployment insurance. The middle layer consists of core protection like health and life insurance, which provide security. At the top, you have perks and lifestyle benefits, like flexible work hours and gym memberships, which help differentiate a company from its competitors. Determining pay rates involves balancing various factors. Externally, you must consider market conditions, the cost of living, and what competitors are paying. Internally, you need to look at the company's budget, the relative value of the job within the organization, and the individual performance of the employee. A good strategy weighs all these elements carefully. Modern HR departments use a total reward strategy. This is a holistic approach that views everything an employee gets from the employer as a reward. It combines compensation, benefits, work-life balance, recognition, and professional development into a single package. This comprehensive view is the most effective way to engage employees. To wrap up, remember that compensation is a mix of financial and non-financial rewards. A successful structure balances internal fairness with external competitiveness. Utilizing variable pay helps drive performance, and adopting a total rewards mindset is key to attracting and retaining the best people for your organization. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.